You remember this door, Doris the door? Painted it with a brush. Didn't go down well, did it? People telling me you can paint a door quicker. So let's show you how quick you can paint a door. Got my sprayer set up. I've got some Hague blue, Farrow & Ball Hague blue. I'm just going to give it one coat, so it's not going to cover in one. I don't want it covering in one. But I'm going to go top to bottom, painting the door with a sprayer. Bear with me. You know, when I edit this, I'm going to put music to it. Don't forget to thumbs up, comments, like and subscribe. You know what, if I got my airless I'd have done it in a third of the time. Never mind. But yeah, I can't spray it. Oh look, the wind's picking up, it's drying up. It's even sissing. I wonder why it's sissing. I wonder if it's because it's a water-based paint going over something that's a little bit I couldn't say sissy. What do you mean? Well, it's the bed ache, so I'm not sure about it, but that's good. It's covered nicely, a little bit uneven. Well, I'm not expecting it to cover in one. I didn't want to get it covering in one. Once that's dry, I can give it another. But yeah, I don't just spray doors for the sake of it. I don't just paint doors for the sake of it with a brush. I can spray as well. And this is that 3M spray gun that I've demoed on another video. So yeah, painting my brush, spraying it, up to you. Should we do a roller one next time? We'll see. I might not lower myself to a roller. A 9-inch roller, sheepskin roller, painting the door. No. Thumbs up.